I'm 24 and I'm completely retired, and it's all thanks to day trading. In this video, I'm going to show you guys exactly my story, my step-by-step process that I did to be able to retire completely from day trading. And I'm also going to show you guys exactly how you guys can do it for free, no strings attached. What is goody, my people? We are back again with another gem. Listen. Today, I'm going to give you guys all the sauce. I'm going to break down my exact step-by-step process on how I was able to go from being broke to being able to retire completely from day trading. It's been absolutely amazing journey. I now am at a point where I can make literally tens of thousands of dollars from anywhere in the world at any time of the day, whenever I want to. And it's beautiful. It's all thanks to day trading. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly my step-by-step process on how I did it. And I'm also going to give you guys the keys completely for free on how you guys can start yourself and get on that journey so you can too retire completely from day trading. All right, so boom, let's start in the beginning. But before we start in the beginning, I need you to do something for me. Smash the like button and subscribe, because I drop steady bangers. And if you know, you know. If you don't know, you're about to find out. So all I ask, I'm not asking for no money. I'm not asking for none of that. Just hit that like button and subscribe, because I just want to give you more value. And I want you to be notified when I'm ready to give you more value. So do all that. But let's start in the beginning, right? So it all started in 2016. I've been day trading since 2016. It all started with cryptocurrency, right? And it all started because my dad's been in Bitcoin for a while. But in 2016, or around the 2016 time, there was a split that happened. If you held Bitcoin, you had access to be able to claim Bitcoin Gold for free. And he didn't know how to do it. So he tasked me with the hard challenge of learning how the heck to claim his free Bitcoin Gold. And he said that he would give me one Bitcoin Gold if I did it for him. Keep in mind, Bitcoin Gold at that time was like $300. And in my head, I'm like, that's a 10-year salary for me. Of course I'll do it. I thought it would be simple. Back then we didn't have like Coinbase. We didn't have all these big platforms that we have now that make cryptocurrency so easy. So it was a long process. It took me really like 2 weeks when I tell you I was in front of the computer Googling my life away, you know what I'm saying, trying to figure this out. I finally figured it out after like 2 weeks or something like that. He did not end up giving me the Bitcoin Gold. I do not believe he did. I think he gave me some XRP or something like that. But either way, that's what introduced me to like the whole trading space overall, that whole crypto space overall, right? At that point, after spending all that time, I learned so much about cryptocurrency. I learned not even like how much money it can make you, but the cool things that cryptocurrency does and like helps with, right? So at that point, I was finding out about Ethereum, XRP, a bunch of coins. Batcoin, I was in Batcoin very, very early. If y'all don't know what that is, it's a coin, you know what I'm saying? But I was in all that very, very early just because my dad made me do that, then exposed me to cryptocurrency, and I just kept Googling stuff and finding out stuff. So at that point, I wasn't making money at all, really. I wasn't making no money. I was making YouTube videos, but I wasn't popping back then. I ain't have no subscribers. I had just uploaded like my first YouTube video or something. Any little money I got, I was trying to put it into crypto, right? Any little money, I was trying to just buy a little bit of Ethereum, a little bit of XRP, a little bit of Bitcoin, whatever. I was just putting money towards it. And slowly but surely, it was kind of building up to like $500. It wasn't much at all, but it was building up. But then after about a year or something like that, I stumbled on this video about like leverage trading cryptocurrency. It was like futures trading cryptocurrency. I don't know. It was something weird. It was on some sketchy website. There was no KuCoin or Binance back then that I knew of. It was some real sketchy website, but the YouTube video told me that I can make $100 in a day. Keep in mind, I had been slowly putting $10 into this cryptocurrency stuff. So I'm like $100 in a day. I'm going to be stupid rich. You know what I'm saying? I try it out. I load up literally half of my crypto account into that platform. I lost it all in 2 days. I'm like, dang, I freaking suck. So long story short, I didn't try that again. I didn't even load no more money up into it. I completely forgot about it. And I just kept doing my long-term hold stuff, long-term buying coins, trying to find coins when it was just coming out to hopefully hold it and make millions of dollars 10 years later. But after about a year or so of doing that, I stumbled upon this video by this old white guy. I don't remember his name. I don't remember what the video was named. I just know it was an hour long. It was some old white guy. He was super, super boring. But his title and thumbnail was like how to make $500 in 1 day trading Forex. Now, I never knew what the heck Forex was at this point. I saw Forex. I'm like, what the heck is that? The dude on the thumbnail looked boring, but I still clicked it because I saw $500 a day. And I'm like, $500 a day? That is more than I make in 20 years. You know what I'm saying? So I clicked it. I watched through the whole hour-long video. I was intrigued. I'm like, this looks kind of cool. You know what I'm saying? It was kind of similar to the leverage trading thing that I had before, but it wasn't crypto. It was something completely different. So I watched that hour-long video, then ended up watching a bunch of his other videos. And at this point, you know what I'm saying, I was like, okay, let me take some of my money again from my crypto portfolio and put it into an account. I did that, and I did not have enough money. So the broker back then, I don't even know what the brokers were called, but I needed more money. Like now you can trade like $50. Before I put like $500 into there and it wouldn't let me trade. It was like a regulated broker or something like that. So it wouldn't let me trade. So I ended up opening up a demo account and trading on it, but I got bored of that because I wasn't making no money with it. So I stopped it, right? I'm like, this old white man, he got all this freaking money. I'm out here struggling every day. I can't even buy a honey bun in Arizona from the corner store. You know what I'm saying? So I'm like, I'm not doing that. I can't do it. You know what I'm saying? Bada boom, bada bing. Another year or two went by or something like that. And then I saw something popped up on YouTube. This video by this one dude named Swaggy C. This dude is a black dude. He looked like me. You know what I'm saying? He had a do-rag on. I'm like, this man is me. I can be him. And in the video, it was a day in the life video. And he showed he made $13,000 day trading in the Forex market. I'm like, so it's not only white people that do this. You know what I'm saying? It's not just old white people that do this. Swaggy C looked, he was black. He wore a do-rag. He was talking. He is energetic. He was, you know what I'm saying? I could more so relate to him than the other person. You know what I'm saying? And no offense to the other person. You probably out here making bank right now, but I just couldn't relate to him. And he was boring. You know what I'm saying? I didn't have that much money back then. But I saw the Swaggy C video. And after watching that first video, I bought his course. I'm like, I need to learn how to make $13,000 a day. And at this point, I was doing YouTube for a while. My YouTube channel had started to blow up. So I was racking in maybe like 10 to 25,000 per month with YouTube videos. This is back when I used to make videos about like picking up girls and stuff like that. So I had money, and so I just bought the course real quick. I went through the course. I watched through it all in literally like 2 days or something like that. Then I loaded up a demo account. I was amazing at the demo account. When I tell y'all I was screenshotting 20K days, 5K days, you know what I'm saying? 50K days. No, not 50, but you get what I'm saying. I was hitting like 10K days consistently. I only did this for like a week or so, but consistently I was making a whole bunch of freaking money. So in my head, I'm like, if I could do this on a demo account and I have money, you know what I'm saying? Because I was doing YouTube, came out, I was stacking up money. I wasn't spending it on nothing. I've never been like a flashy person or nothing. So I was stacking money. I had a lot of money, which was dangerous. I was on a demo for a week. I thought I was a great trader. I just watched through his course. So I loaded up 20K into an account. I lost 20K in 3 days. 3 days, I lost 20K. I loaded up another 10K, lost it. Another 5K, lost it. Another 15K, lost it. Another 10K, lost it. I did this until I lost around $60,000, right? And this is all because I thought I was really, really good because I traded on a demo account. I thought I was the best trader in the world because I was making money on a demo account. Instantly went to a live account, instantly lost all the money. And then I kept losing more money because I would load more money into an account and try and flip it to make back the money I just lost. And it was just a cycle of just stupidness and burning money. You know what I'm saying? So bada boom, bada bing, I did that. Keep in mind, I didn't know nothing about risk management, nothing about psychology. I bought his course. I kid you guys not. I skipped the psychology part. I went straight to the charts, how to set up my broker, how to predict price. I went to all of that. I skipped the psychology because in my head, I'm like, you know what I'm saying? I'm smart. You know what I'm saying? I'm disciplined. You know what I'm saying? I'm strong mentally. I don't need to read some freaking therapy. I don't need to watch some therapy videos. I don't care nothing about no psychology. You know what I'm saying? So I skipped it. And that was probably the most expensive mistake I've ever done in my life. I skipped the psychology part. So I didn't really understand it at all. So after losing that 60K, I'm like, all right, bet. I cannot do this. I cannot keep putting money into this. I'm about to make myself go broke. I'm about to be homeless. And I was still living in my parents' house. You know what I'm saying? I don't know how that works, but that's how much money I was losing. So at this point, I was like, maybe it's the course. So I bought literally every course that you've probably heard of. I have it, guaranteed. I have it, and I've went through it. I was buying every course possible, watching through every course possible. I wasn't skipping the psychology videos. I was watching the psychology videos now. I had my head down and grinded out for an extremely long time. I went back on a demo account for literally like 2 or 3 months or something like that. After watching through everybody's courses, I was kind of trading on demo account while watching through other people's courses to try and learn and perfect my craft at the same time. So I was doing that for a very, very, very long time. But nonetheless, after buying all those courses, I really focused, right? When I tell you I focused, it was a long, hard journey. Trading, people think trading is a get rich quick scheme. It's a get rich slow process. You know what I'm saying? It's worth it in the end. Don't get me wrong. You know what I'm saying? Because I can now literally print money from anywhere in the world, an unlimited amount of money, which is obviously cool. But that process of getting here was extremely hard. Like, I'm talking about just feeling so sad. I don't be getting like depressed or nothing like that, but it's just when you keep losing and losing, you put so many hours into it. I'm talking about back testing late at night. I'm talking about not having fun. Like, instead of going out and having fun doing things, I'm back testing. I'm home. I'm looking at charts. I'm going over my previous trades. I'm journaling trades. I'm writing down why I'm losing. I'm like head down focused, back testing for hours. I don't think y'all understand, bro. I've maxed out TradingView's back testing feature 1 million times on every pair. I promise you. Like, I was addicted, but I couldn't fail. I had lost. This is my mindset, right? I had lost 60 bands. The market took 60 bands from me. I cannot let them run off with that 60,000 and never get my money back. You know what I'm saying? So that's kind of what kept me going. And also, obviously, seeing other people making like thousands of dollars, I'm like, I can do that. You know what I'm saying? They're not better than me. They not no better than me. I'm him. You know what I'm saying? I can be him. I can do that. You know what I'm saying? So literally days and weeks and months and years went by before I started becoming consistently profitable. But that's really what it took. Honestly, people can learn how to day trade and read charts within a couple months, realistically. But mastering yourself and learning yourself, that's what takes the hardest time. Just like learning your flaws that you keep making. Being disciplined, following your trading rules, following your risk management strategies. Like you have to learn yourself and learn to listen to yourself and basically be like a robot when it comes to trading. But ultimately, all that hard work, all those hours put in, it's all been worth it because now I'm at the point where I don't have to work ever again in my entire life. I can literally print money, like I said, from anywhere in the world. I could be sitting on the toilet trading. I could be out in Hawaii in the freaking beach trading. I could be in Dubai riding a camel, floating $10,000 in profit. Like it's so amazing just to be able to trade and literally make money from anywhere in the world. And I don't have to spend 30 hours a day sitting at my charts, you know what I'm saying? Or sitting at my desk or being an employee or something like that, right? I truly believe everybody should learn how to day trade. This is a skill that once you master it, you can use the money to not even just go buy the Lamborghinis, not just buy those fancy cars, fancy houses. You know what I'm saying? You can use it to invest into real estate, invest into your family, give back. You know what I'm saying? Loan money out to friends, family, give money away wherever you want to. You know what I'm saying? It's literally a vehicle to be able to achieve financial freedom for not only just you, but your entire family. Like I've said 100 times, I truly believe that literally everyone in the world should learn how to day trade. It's a skill that should be taught in school. So I've taken the initiative to kind of start that. I've made a whole free training, and this is the first time I'm talking about it, but I made a whole free training. There's a link for inside the description down below. And inside the comment section down below. No strings attached, no gimmicks, none of that. Just go to the link and you can start learning how to day trade. I give you the steps that you need. I give you the information that you need to be able to start day trading. I want this to be the seed that old white man's video was for me, that got me to start trading, or that Swaggy C video was for me. I want this free training, the free video that I'm giving you guys, I want that to be y'all seed. I don't ask for nothing in return. All I ask for is when you're driving down the street in your Lamborghini and you see me walking to Chick-fil-A or freaking Chipotle, just pull over and hand me the keys to a Bugatti to thank me. That's all I ask. You know what I'm saying? And that you like this video and smash the subscribe button. That's it. I don't ask for a lot. I made the whole free training just for y'all. You know what I'm saying? But like I said, everyone in the world should learn how to day trade. So that's why I took the time out. I've spent a lot of time making this free training, kind of preparing it to be able to release it to the world, because I truly, like I said 100 times, think everyone, no matter who you are, where you live, and that's another beautiful thing about trading. It doesn't matter how old you are. It doesn't matter where you live, where you're from. It doesn't matter what color your skin is. It doesn't matter about none of that. What language you speak, nothing. You know what I'm saying? You can do it. And that's why I made the free training, because like I said, everyone in the world should learn how to day trade. It's a given. It's not only for super smart people. It's not only for a certain demographic of people. It's for everyone, and everyone includes you. So click that link down below and get that free training so you can go on your journey and start the process of being able to retire completely from day trading. But that is the end of the video. That is my story. That is how I am, how I have gotten to this point in my life where I can do whatever I want to do, whenever I want to do it. If I want to work, if I want to trade, if I want to invest in real estate, if I want to buy a Lamborghini, I can literally do anything I want. I have no limits when it comes to money, which is a beautiful, beautiful feeling. And I wish that on everybody. So yeah. Subscribe if you enjoyed this video. Hit the like button if you enjoyed this video. I would greatly appreciate it. And if you want to learn how to start trading completely for free, no gimmicks, nothing, you know what I'm saying? Nothing, none of that. You know what I'm saying? Hit the link down below. It's in my description. It's also inside the comment section down below. Get started on your training. And in around 2 years, when you see me drop or walk into Chipotle or something like that, just hand me the keys to the Bugatti. That's all I ask of you. But that is the end of the video. If you enjoyed this video and need a little bit more information or inspiration, watch this video right here. I had my biggest trading day ever. I made an insane amount of money. Trust me when I tell y'all this trading stuff is real. Watch this video and I'll see you guys in the free training.